In this video, I'm going to talk about the latest update to StampManage USA 2019. As always, you select Help, check for updates from the main menu. Now, we have noticed recently there's an antivirus program called Avast, and I believe they also go under the name AVG. And if you're using that antivirus, sometimes you have problems updating. You get all sorts of errors like could not save or create temporary file and all sorts of things. So if you have that problem, you can email us at techsupport@libertystreet.com, and what we can do is send you a direct link to the update download. Okay, so what's new in the latest update? We've added the latest United States issues. For example, United States general issues. Let me scroll all the way to the bottom, and we've got up to July 9, 2019, which would be Scott number 5398, A and B. And we've added images to those new issues as well. Values. If I look at StampManage catalog, Puerto Rico, we've added quite a few values to Puerto Rico and updated some inaccurate values. We also did the same with, let me look at United States Postmaster Provisionals right here. Yeah, we've added values there. Got some very high value stamps here. And what was the other one? Yes, from revenue stamps we've added values. And there's one other category I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I think we added some to some postal cards and things like that. So okay, and what else is new? There's a new version of the report designer, and it's been in the program for about a month or so. So if you bought the program before that, you'll get a new version of the report designer. And we had made some improvements to the reporting, like under the reports menu, there's a create collection report. It's kind of like a report generator. It allows you to create a simple report and what columns you want to use and whatnot. And we've added table of contents and some other items there as well. Okay, so that's a brief overview of what is new in StampManage USA 2019. Thanks for watching. Take care.